that you're in prison for 2 days? Are you scared?
Who are you, madam?
She's my friend. She's come to see me. Don't forget, this is my room as well. Buddy,
Buddy.
come inside.
Thanks, buddy. You saved my ego.
First, I have to vacate this flat.
I'll come wherever you go. Yo.
Did this guy get all these cups?
Yes. These cups belong to Mr. Arvind. Once he comes back from office, he cleans them and only then he goes to sleep. Huh?
Yeah, mom. Okay, mother. Okay, mom. Okay, mom.
What happened?
She saw a girl from me. The girl is in Chennai only. She's asking me to meet and talk to the girl. If I like the girl, mom will fix a marriage immediately. I'll get her number now.
Buddy,
Buddy?
I need to talk to you separately. Can you please come there?
What?
I'm the one who's getting disturbed here. Aren't you upset? You were busy drinking tea.
I was shocked to hear he's going to see a girl. But then he said he's going to make a call. 5 minutes he talks to a girl. That's all. The matter will end.
I think his mother sent the number.
Run.
Hello? Could I speak to Miss Indra, please? Hi, my mother told me to call you. I would like to meet you. No problem. I'll be waiting for you. I'll text you my address. Yeah, bye. She'll be here within half hour.
Okay.
Buddy, when my future wife comes and she see another girl in this flat, she'll definitely mistake that. So you send your friend out, okay? Thank you.
Leave. I said leave.
I'm going.
Irritating.
Check this out.
Wait a sec. Are you gonna meet her in formals? I think you should wear something casual, buddy.
You also leave.
What? Leave? Why?
Yeah, I want privacy because she is my fiancée.
He's the one who has to decide that.
Get out.
Hey, come buddy. He chased you away too.
No, nothing like that. I was just getting bored, that's all. It's my flat as well.
Prestige?
Hey, keep quiet. You didn't leave?
I want to see her.
You're jealous?
Huh?
There, she's come.
I've arrived.
Oh my god. She's so
Left
tall.
side block,
She
right?
must be about my height. Oh, just look at her. She looks like one of those ramp models. She's really beautiful. You have tough competition.
Yes, I'm coming right up. It's the 4th floor, right?
Oh, yeah, 4th floor. I think he's directing the way from top. Huh? I'm sure he'll impress her and she'll agree to marry
If
him.
it happens, I'll shave my head.
You're quite capable of doing it. You're weird.
I'm Arvind Sivaswamy, Master of Science in Computer Science, MS CS.
I know. And I'm Indra.
I know.
Come, buddy.
No, it's wrong. Don't. We shouldn't go on top. No.
Avoid the lift. Let's go by other route.
Where are you taking me?
This certificate, when I was in first standard, 1330 Tirukural. I netru and said on stage. For that, collector gave me the certificate. See?
I shouldn't have listened to her. She's gonna put me in trouble.
Shut up and walk.
Oh, what's gonna happen?
Just one more floor.
Another floor?
Same first standard. I participated in drawing.
The first standard?
Yeah. First prize.
Hey, this window only, no?
I don't know.
It's your house
I'm
only.
outside most of the times. Don't peep into anybody else's house. They'll kill us.
Hey, I know. Only this window.
Hey, don't open it. That's the neighbor's bathroom. Open this window. Open it. What happened? You have a blank face.
Look.
My buddy must have impressed her by now. Let me see.
When I retrieved the bike, there's no engine in the bike, madam.
Oh my god. He's telling her the whole damn story.
Are you tired? Oh, I'm sorry. We'll go somewhere and talk.
More? Hello? What? An accident? When? Okay. I'll come immediately.
Any problem?
Yes.
What?
My friend got into an accident. She's admitted in the hospital right now. Okay, I have to go now. Catch you later. Oh my god.
Excuse me, this side is the exit.
I'll go out somehow.
Mother? No, mom, I didn't do anything. I was just talking to... Okay, mom, I'll go and apologize.
Welcome. Would you like to have coffee?
She's gone.
Why?
Called her up.
She might have switched off. She won't switch on for a month. Girls of this century doesn't need a good man. They want an efficient man. We can observe a good man, adore him, can call him role model, but cannot live together.
Don't look at me. Listen to her.
Take me for example. I'll say 10 lies minimum per day.
Maximum?
That has no account.
Super, continue.
I'll go on road. If 4 guys laugh at me, I'll smile back at one. Only then the next day that one will save me from the other 3. My smile was fake, but I have to laugh.
Correct. It's for your safety.
When a girl has to come back home safe after going out for a day, to everyone she faces, she has to be a little honest and act more.
Brother, if you're gonna be innocent, everyone will take you for a ride. They'll stamp and walk over you. Buddy, enough now. Come on, tell him everything.
And you know, I have been following you for 6 months.
More than 6 months? She is lying. We get introduced only in the traffic jam.
Buddy, that's when you saw at the signal. She likes your character and has been following you for the past 6 months. She knows head to tail about you. She likes you a lot.
That too, you didn't look at me. Some good guy hit you and pushed you to me.
He's the reason for all.
Buddy,
I
get
want
to
to
the
meet her.
point. Stop wasting time.
It is very difficult to live like you. At least, I can live with you.
Ah ha ha ha. She's finally proposed you. What do you have to say about this, buddy? Come on, tell me. I'm really eager to know.
Enough of your praisings. Get lost.
Who?
Only you, brother.
Me, buddy? But why?
Bro, get out, bro.
Buddy, this is not fair. It's okay, I'll leave. Catch you in a while. Why is he standing like a statue? Huh?
It's wrong. I won't come.
Then let me come.
In the morning at Coimbatore, police are threatening the vegetable vendors by holding them back. They are treating them as gangsters or murderers, and the police demand money. A traffic police by the name Senapati was caught this morning for getting 10 rupees as bribe. The police have registered a case and have arrested him. This policeman was working in Tiruchengodu before. He used to take rupees 5 from beggars and hawkers. He was caught before and warned by the senior police officers, but he's still violating the law. A shameless policeman.
5 rupees, 2 rupees. Shit.
No, he is perfectly calculative. 2 rupees into 100 persons, 5 rupees into 50 persons. It accumulates to a big amount. The amount is bigger than his salary.
Okay, stop insulting us. See the TV. They are tearing your trousers there.
Jailer Babu is under suspicion and has been suspended. That bloody fellow is the reason. Arvind Sivasamy. He would have sent petition to higher official.
Not only you. For me, him and him. He is the reason for the inquiry. He also approached Human Rights Commission. They issued a notice for explanation. What will we do now?
What can we do? Judge sir, tell us something.
He came into my court and asked me if I have a broker. It's an insult for me.
What shall we do?
He enquired all of you. Bring him now and start enquiring him first.
We need your support for an enquiry now. Come.
What is the case, sir?
Come, I'll tell you.
Arvind? Where are they taking you?
Get in.
Arvind! Arvind! Anil sir! Anil sir! Did Anil sir bring Arvind here?
No.
0015, that's your vehicle.
Yes.
They took him in that, sir.
Tell me.
Have you seen?
Yes, I did. Anil sir took him. He was in his uniform.
Did you went to the police station?
Yes, but they said that he didn't bring him there, sir.
Let's file a complaint first of all. Man missing. Will you accept the complaint?
I am straightforward and honest.
Arvind! 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 Arvind!
What happened?
Arvind! 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 Call for an ambulance!
Arvind, come on. Chalaya.
Sir?
That missing case, Aravind Sivaswamy. Someone kidnapped him, it seems. He has been admitted in the hospital. Just check with your hospital whether we can enquire him or not.
Just dial and ask them.
Doctors permitted us to enquire him now. So just get out.
Move out.
Sir, doctor. Hello.
Hello. Close the door.
Please wait outside.
Sir.
You also, madam. I am telling you, go.
Sir,
Wait outside.
Hello. Hello. Brother.
Note it down, sir.
Who has taken you out? Tell me.
You are the one, sir.
Sir, don't write.
He has got injured at his head, it seems. He is in confusion. Let's leave him now. Doctor, when he'll be back to normal?
Some 10 or 15 days.
Get well soon, brother. We will enquire you later. Okay.
Anil, sir.
Who are you?
Sir, you don't know me?
I will kill you.
Sir.
Why is he like this? Kidnap him and take him to a safe place. He is young and he should live.
Leave this place. Go back to your village. Go live with your mother. Or else, get married to her and go stay elsewhere. Go! You said you'll use your education for the betterment of our society. Nobody cares a damn about it. Education is not important. You have to analyze people's behavior. At the age of 2, when we are sent to school, our parents tell us not to talk to strangers. They make sure it gets into our head. They prepare us to face the society without any fear. But unfortunately, your mother didn't teach you all that. You're also naive. You got offers to work abroad, but you rejected them. Go look for a job abroad.
Why should I go?
Because you're not fit for the society.
But what mistake
You
I
haven't
did?
committed any mistake. That's your mistake. When you're in Rome, behave like a Roman, Arvind. You can't do as you wish. Why don't you behave like everyone else in the society?
Arrows are coming straight to me. Then I must face it.
Everybody has problems. We have to ignore them. You know what people do nowadays? They get out and drag others into it. You're not like them. You're calling for unnecessary problems. Your health has started to improve and now they're looking for you. They want to have another inquiry. I'm really scared, Arvind. Listen to me. Go away from here.
You want to run away from them?
I'm not telling you to run. I'm telling you to avoid them.
I won't do that.
They'll kill you.
I don't mind, buddy.
Hello, boss. I'm just listening you. You're going on arguing with him? Whatever he said is right. Everything is wrong here. Everything is corrupted here. Okay. Can anyone say that they haven't given any bribery a single paisa till now? They have to. Then only they can live a normal life here. Else they can't live properly here. Even if you go to the temple, if you offer the priest a 5 rupees, then only he will respect you. Even to pray the god, you have to give a bribery of 5 rupees. I want to expose the corruption. Someone said and started from Gujarat in 2004. He has just given 40,000. Magistrate has signed on the document without reading it properly. He has got arrest warrant for 2 persons. Then President Mr. Abdul Kalam and Supreme Court Judge Mr. Kari. That was the top talk in the country. Next day, nothing was there. Not only that, even for our ex-Prime Minister Mr. Narasimha Rao, someone got a death certificate for him when he is alive in 2002. Lot of fake things are there. Fake IAS, fake IPS, fake doctor, fake lawyers, fake husband, fake wife. We have come through a lot. Lot of people has broken the divorce case with fake people. You know that? In our country, we haven't got fake for the fake. From our country saving defense till the country spoiler alcohol, we have got corruption. We have to adjust and we have to live our life. Murder, robbery, status, public nuisance, fake, bribery, cheating, telling lies, killing others. To do the duty and not to do the duty. Like that for a lot of things. For everything, cost is record. You have to forget, forgive and change. You have to adjust. You have to adjust everything what I say.
That means I have to pay. That's it, right? For your own needs, you're bribing everybody. That's why you're not feeling guilty. I will also give.
But I feel scared.
Why are you scared? Huh? Even animals will scare when they are in danger. But this human is scared of everything. You're dying each and every minute. But before you really die, try to live for truth once.
No. What's the need? We can live just like others.
Are you talking like this?
Yes. It's me only talking. I want to live with you.
Selfishness. That day you like my truth, but you don't like it today. I'm not going to change myself. You change yourself.
What do you mean?
Stand aside and watch everything. If I live, you come. If I die, leave it.
You're not trying to understand.
Enough. Get lost. Truth will triumph. But what? It'll take some time. If you're not able to bear the space, what is a relationship? Actually, we didn't do anything wrong. We talk and decided to marry, that's all. Our thoughts are like monkey. It'll jump easily. But I won't change because my love is true.
Hey, do you think I was faking? You're hurting very badly.
Tell the truth boldly, whether it hurts or not. Never abandon for weakness. If truth is too much for intelligent people and sweeps them away, let them go. The sooner the better.
Where are you going?
Hey, don't stop her. Are you going to stand with me? Raja sir, will you help us, sir?
But how can we do whatever you say?
It will happen, sir. It is not the work of a bad people. It's a revolution of good people. Politicians are not ruling the country, sir. Government staffs are ruling it. They are the one doing lot of corruptions than politicians, sir. If the government announces to give 1000 rupees to a person, that person gets only 100 rupees, sir. Where is the rest 900 rupees, sir? The person in between is swallowing. We are voting to a person who is illiterate, who doesn't have any experience or humanity. We made them MLA or MP. And who are the one misguiding them? This government staff. So politicians ruling for 5 years. But for government staff, they have 58 years to work. Then who should have more responsibility, sir? Each government office will have at least 4 good person. They'll call them Prestige Padmanabhan, Torture, Monkey Face, Long Face. They'll be ashamed of it, sir. They're really less in counting, sir. They are not able to win these bad countless persons. But there is some anger in them. Pain in them. They are feeling bad for not respected. And bad people are living happily. That anger will help us, sir. That pain will support us. We'll make them as our weapon.
What?
Please drink, we'll discuss.
You pay for your cup. I'll pay for mine. The documents are totally wrong. I will not sign them.
Sir, I want to talk to you personally.
Without the help of higher officials, a single lady has chased a bus and caught a bigger amount of money. Ankita RDO. Let's talk to her.
I cannot inform everything to you all. I got the information, I just moved on.
Ma'am, aren't you scared?
If I get scared, I cannot do this work.
Ma'am, you didn't take anyone's help.
I called my IA officials. I informed the police also. But no one came on the right time. Because everybody knows whose money is all this. I think you guys also know this.
It is the election time, and it is very happy to see honest officers. There are sincere and straightforward officers, and the government mechanism is functioning because of them. We are highly frustrated to see those bad people functioning, but this program brings good people to your notice, and that is our program, The Talk. In my 28 years of service, I have had 99 transfers. Before I retire, it will be a century. I have no issues. My wife comes with me, but people with children, what will they do? Their education will be disrupted. Everyone wants to be straightforward, but your colleagues changes you and diverts you.
They're kicking me like a football. How many times did they try to kill me, do you know?
I didn't sign their file. So they kidnapped my son and killed him brutally. I loved my son a lot. He was very smart and active. After his death, my wife became a mental patient. 18 long years. There is no justice and judgment. Even one of the kidnapper died. Who cares about the judgment? But I can tell only one thing. The delayed judgment is a denied judgment. I can't change my character. Even now, my colleagues, they are used to get bribery and living happily. But I lost my whole family, believing the truth and justice.
If we could show the good righteousness and perfection in all the work we do, our land will be the heaven, sir.
Sir, there are honest people in this society. We have to fight together.
It is not only us. There are a lot of people like us. We will gather all of them. Brother, we will demonstrate what honest officials can do. We will definitely do that.
Good. Next, you have to meet Sita Lakshmi.
I'm Sita Lakshmi.
I'm Simon Ramachandran.
So what?
I've never been insulted like this before. She seems to be a nasty lady, man.
Hey. I'm Arvind.
Raja told me about you. Come inside. Come inside.
She's calling us inside the cupboard.
Hey, how long are you taking, man?
It's almost done.
Yeah, finish it soon. You've still not packed it?
I'm packing it.
Is the seal ready?
Almost ready.
She closed the door. Arvind, what's this? There's a whole damn factory here.
Hey, keep quiet, buddy.
I'm scared. Let's go home.
Sister, what happened to the issue of 1942? Wait, man. It's getting ready. Ask that fellow to wait, I say. What's that fellow's name? Dharmarajapuram David. Look at that fraud's name. Sir, come here. Show me your hand. Not your right, sir. Your left.
Hey! Hey, what's wrong with you? Why did you do that? You idiot! No! You
Hey, come
crazy
here.
lady!
Go and give it. Nobody can find out.
Medical college certificate, ma'am.
Raj Anamala sir sent us to the right person. Ask her to forge a paper with which we can buy the main bus stand.
That's just 500 acres, man. But the airport is 24,000 acres. I could create a document saying it's your great-grandfather's. Will you fight it out in court?
Oh God.
Let's talk about our issue.
Why do you have to be true in life? If everybody is true, then we could be too. If they behave wrongly, we should behave very wrongly. My father was a loyal engineer in PWD. He was run over by a lorry in the middle of the road. An employee who was with him said it was an accident. My father is a teetotaler. They proved that he was drunk while driving. We were out on the road. Two younger sisters and my mother. I had to save them. Would I get a seat in the school if my father was a good man? Or will I get groceries in the grocery store? Every minute needs money. Money doesn't differentiate between the good and the bad. The wicked people have plenty of money. If we need money, we have to earn it. If we commit a mistake properly, then it is not a mistake at all.
Please. Don't cry. I'm there.
Stop it. Aravind?
Yes?
Do you want fake documents for everything?
I want it in real. I want signature of the people who are connected with that.
That's very easy. Money talks. Go to the GH hospital. There's a pune called Kumar. Talk to him.
Go! Get away from here. There is no place over here. Me, Kumar. What's the matter? Is that so? Come after 1 month. We will see. Just come within week. We will finish. Within 2 days, you will get that. Why you are standing, sir? Please sit there. I will arrange for it. Hey, Sumati, take that red file.
What, Kumar? You're flourishing in your business.
You two get the commission. Don't worry.
You forgot all about the doctor.
What about doctor?
Tell me where he is. I myself will come and give.
No. He won't get from you. Genuine person. Okay, fine. You just come after 1 month. We will see.
Hey, we've already given you a lot of money. I want my work done. Do it right now. Give me some money. Here. Go.
He's always ready to sign the papers, huh?
Follow him.
This is enough for him. Hey, don't cry here. Get away. Please put one sign. He is inside only. Then how could he see?
Money is not the problem. How much do you want? We'll give it to you. Well and brother? Huh?
What happened?
He wants money and he's also asking us to arrange a girl.
What is his age?
He's retiring next week.
Send somebody.
He wants her.
I'll go. I won't let him lay a finger on me. I'll get all the information. Send me a text about his location. Hi, whatever happened has been recorded. It's inside this. Bye. See you later.
Is it possible? It is only possible in our country. Just 3 months ago, a living MLA and MP were given death certificates.
You can go legally.
They will bury it and close it down.
What can we do?
We have to tell the people. They have to know. With their support, we have to go to court. Arvind believes that our channel and people have good bond, and that is why he has given me all the details. I will flash this news. The issue will become big. Even our channel may be threatened, but this is the truth. Sir, give me an answer, sir.
I'll answer.
Democracy. The whole world identifies democracy with India. But in this democracy, if you're really wealthy, you can do anything legally is what has been proved now. Today's program is about that. This may surprise you or might shock you, may put a hole in your belief. But to bring it your notice is my duty, and to decide is your right. For a dead man, birth certificate, school certificate, driving license, ration card, voter's ID, till passport has been issued on a dead man's name. There is a case pending against a non-existent man. Sexual harassment was filed. There was an FIR against him, and the case was admitted in the court. And the court has issued a warrant against him. All these documents were procured legally, without going through it, without verifying the details. To state the fact, they don't know what they are signing on because the money blinds them and they put it in their pocket. This is how our government officials work. To procure these documents, the amount paid to every department, we have that statistics with us. We have that evidence and we can prove it. And what answer will government officials give us? In our country, bribe and corruption are practiced by everyone. And in this issue, the lowest ranked to highest ranked persons all put together, the number of connected people is 147. If you can procure for a dead man what a rightful citizen of India can get, just imagine about the situation we are living in. What makes them do this? Money. We are all going to tear them apart. Will justice prevail or bribery win? Decision is yours. Either once in 2 years or once in 4 years. Patriotic youngsters are rising against corruption and bribery, and we see that. But still it is recurring. Nobody is able to stop it. At least it should change now. This youngster should not become a victim. If he fails, it is your collective failure.
I can't blame this guy who has collected evidence and flashed it, because that's the truth. You should take action on the culprit, not on this boy. I'm not convinced.
I'm not called for arguments. We should not be insulted. Just stop him.
Stop and?
Do what I told you.
Every problem is stopped midway. No solution for any problem. The politicians want to escape at that moment, and they use us for that. And they won't let us do our duty. They have the power in their pockets, but they don't act. Sami,
Yes, sir.
send faxes to all media.
Okay,
No
sir.
one should talk about this.
Okay, sir.
I need to go to Chennai.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we shouldn't talk about this issue. We have got the facts.
Then don't talk.
Then what shall we do, sir?
Do one thing. Put some super glamorous song. Everything will be okay.
According to the reports that we got, he's in Tamil Nadu.
Sir,
What?
we have got a fax from Delhi.
Bring it here. Selvam, please zoom. We have to stop this program. Stop it immediately. We have received orders. You tell us what to do. Okay. Come what may. I know you're all curious to see the youngster who had collected all these documents, and we understand that very well. Whatever happens, this evening in our program Torch, we'll bring the youngster on screen.
That's it. They will say like this only. Then tomorrow they will say something else and they will make us to forget. They will make us to be like this only.
Where are the channel guys? Where's Gopinath?
He escaped, we're looking for him.
He said he'll come on live at 5 o'clock.
That's not possible, it's locked.
What about the other channels?
Even that's not possible, everything is secured. Sir, he's the MD of the Truth Channel.
We told you to stop the program. Won't you do it? You'll zoom my order and telecast it.
We have shown the truth to them. And without any reasons for blacking out our channel, you will have to reply us.
I will reply. Go on, go on.
Please come, sir.
Mom!
Hey, yes come my brother.
Aravind Sivasamy, who scored first rank in his 10th and 12th board examinations, university rank holder, Tirukkural, Bhagavad Gita, Bible, Quran, great philosophies and concepts of the world. He has read and understood everything. This century's brilliant mind, best citizen. He approaches the society's problems with seething rage. A young revolutionary, now on your screens. Aravind Sivasamy, why are you so angry?
It's not my anger, sir. I'm feeling bad. This world is created by us just to live happily and peacefully in it. But we're not enjoying the happiness, but losing ourselves to the mistakes. Corruption has grown in a larger manner. Every rule is just as a printed papers. Nothing is in action. But when somebody wanted to follow the rule, the guy coming behind is not allowing it. I'm not living myself, sir. Even in roads, I'm traveling for somebody's urgency, sir. For somebody's mistake without any connection, I'm also affected, sir. We are always blaming somebody, saying it is not my mistake and somebody else's mistake. We are self-corrupted. We are cheating ourselves, sir. If we need a change, every single person should change.
This is the sound of change.
Come to the left, come to the left.
Trace him.
Have you ever not faced any problems like this, sir?
I face it every day.
Then why are not getting angry about it,
Who
sir?
told you I'm not angry? Not just me. The people who are watching this are angry.
But you are suppress it inside, sir.
What else to do?
This one question, sir, is rested in the minds of people around the entire world. I want to unite that, sir. But definitely politicians will try to stop that, sir. Otherwise, they won't do politics, sir. They have to unite. There will be a greater change, sir. Then our entire humanity will be restored, sir.
Is it possible?
There's nothing impossible, sir. We are not trying. That is the truth.
Zoom in, zoom in. Which place is this?
Bangalore Highway, sir.
Yes.
Are we on the right track? Are there any problems? Is everything clear? Proceed. Proceed. We are safe. Whatever you say is right, and I accept it, Arvind. But the unlimited freedom our citizen enjoys cannot be seen anywhere in the world. Do you know that?
After getting the freedom, what have we done, sir? What we are able to do, sir? Nothing happened. Bunch of people were dead. Without any humanity, without seeing age or any gender, our sisters and mothers were raped to death. Now there's no footmark of an entire society. What have we done? We felt bad and watched IPL match. How long it will take that massacre to happen here? Freedom, useless freedom. the attack on a girl who refused to love and burning an entire village for love marriage is freely happening here, sir. We have the biggest jail in Asia, but we are just living as an answer for general knowledge question. In India, for every 22 minutes, a girl has been raped. Survey says this. All men has to feel ashamed of it, sir. We are born strongly because we have to protect all the females, sir, and not to force them at any moment. We have to imply hardcore rules, sir, then only humanity will be restored. Out of 110 crores, only 1% is criminal, sir. Just wipe out that 1%. Just bulldoze the jails. And then we'll save the rest 99%, sir. But if you always sit and discuss like this, one day everybody will become criminals. Country will become great.
You have hurt my ego. Wherever he is in this world, I will catch him.
You have bribed 147 people, and do you have the evidence with you, Mr. Arvind?
Yes, I have. Audio, video, every evidence I have.
How much did you pay?
14,63,750 rupees, sir.
Was that your money?
Yes, sir. My mom sold her house and gave me the money.
Where is your mother?
She's there. She's there somewhere and watching me doing this.
Tell us where.
Why, sir? To arrest her and then to corner me? Who are all cross 50 years are all my mothers. Youngsters are my elder brothers and elders are my big brothers. Won't you add me as a person in your family, sir?
Listen! I'm your brother here! I'm here for you! Don't worry, just proceed. Oh goddamn, come.
We are getting smashed here. We thank all the people, all those government officials, all those straightforward officers who had helped us. We will ever be grateful to all of them. Anything may happen to us. We have just lighted a matchstick. To hold it as a torch or make a volcano out of it is in your hands. To redeem humanity, to bring back human rights to its right place. This is the best possible step. We have to save our own lives. Our next generation must live without any kind of corruption. Only justice and equality can drive away poverty from our land, and this should be the rule of the land. Let's give it a hand. Turn the camera. Turn the camera to the other side.
Okay, sir.
Look at this. Come to
What did we do?
Why did you do this? Why?
We don't know where they have kept Arvind now. Anything can happen. But we have to show them that there is a big support for Arvind. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Just record your support here. Missed call system is there. 8822334488. All please call this number. Just give a missed call to record your support there. That's enough. You can make only one call from a number. Support Arvind.
Please tell all your friends about this. Arvind is an honest man. He needs all our support. We have to support him.
One crore people on Twitter and 40 lakhs missed call. This is the support for Arvind. What are you going to do now?
What should we do? You tell us what should we do. In the public, there should not be a big issue of that.
We can't retain him without a good reason. If the people gather together, then it's going to be a big scene. Arvind's lawyer has submitted all evidences to the court. From here, it's the court and the connected people. There's nothing we can do.
Oh, you could have done this earlier. Why have you delayed it?
How could I do, sir? All you do is make it nothing. That's why he gathered the attention of the people. And when we focused on that, he went off to court. I think he's right.
Now what should we do? Tell us.
We'll have to release him. I like you too, Arvind. But to live like you is going to be hard. If you win in your endeavor, it's going to be history. They'll keep pelting stones at you. You shouldn't get stuck by the stones, but fly high. The pelting hand will pain, and he'll start clapping. I also gave him a call in your favor. And I also tweeted. All the best.
We all thank you for your support. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Arvind! Arvind!
Give your hands, brother. Whenever we face a problem, very eager to do something. After that, no problem arise. In that case, we try to escape. You take it in your hands, brother. We are behind you. We would change this.
Thank you.
Don't stand here. Come with me. I said come with me. Come with me. Come! Come. Come! Come!
1 minute. Excuse me.
Sorry. Sorry. This is enough. Even if I die this minute, I'll be happy to die.
Why should we die? We have to live. It is not important what we expect from the life, because life is expecting something from us.
I love you.
Our sister has become famous in just a day.
The court will announce the list in 2 days' time. You'll all get to know that. We believe that there'll be a very big change that is going to happen, and that is for sure.
Sir, are there only 147 people who take bribe?
It is just point, not 1%. We have to catch a lot more people. There are a lot of people who are corrupt in government mechanism, and they should be scared in the next 2 days. They should wonder, keep wondering. That is our success. We know all the 147 people. We know their houses. Let's fix up a camera at their doors and be ready. When the court announces the names, we capture every individual's reaction and telecast it. Let the public watch. Not only the public, let their individual family also watch their own reactions. Let us relay all that in live mode. They should be condemned. Only then we can expect a change.
Show him. I will support you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, for the live telecast, I need this OB van, sir. All other details, I will discuss.
Hello? So for a 10-second ad, they're giving 25 lakh. If we play their ad for 10 minutes, we can make a lot of money. What say, sir?
This is not a commercial program to show commercials. Get out. Out.
This is the shock of the nation. In this case, we will get to know who are all the accused in just a few minutes. Wait till then. K. Kumar, Class 4 staff, Government Hospital. Dr. S. Arivananda, Government Hospital. He is a pediatrician. Chitra Lakshmana, he is a magistrate. Design Chino, RDO. Anil Menon, a police official. Basavaya, VK Vijayakumar, Hello Kandasamy, Satyanur Savitri, Hosur Sarana, Ganga Raju, Yerwadi Mohan.
Dad?
M. Mariappan, Tahsildar.
Don't come inside.
Leave
There's
way,
nobody
please.
named as such. Just move away. No. No. Please. No. Don't break the door. No.
Hey,
Please move,
give
madam.
them. Come.
Sir.
Are you happy? Go, come on, Piercy. Yes, that's me only.
Sir, how are you being so brave accepting this?
So everyone is good. I'm alone bad here.
Is her father a bad man? Focus on everything in the house.
Wait. Don't take my children's fake.
Arivanandam, Dr. Arivanandam. You joined duty in 2004, but you have issued a birth certificate stating that he was born in 1985. But at the time you were studying +2 in Salem, and this is the evidence. Are you going to deny this?
Already it's in court, so no comments.
Muthu, zoom please. Is this your signature? You have signed it, right? How many certificates did you issue?
No comments, please. Whatever court decides, I accept it.
Muthu, this is Kumar, your peon, got the money for you. And this shows that you got that money from Kumar. What is your answer to this?
Mr. Gopinath, this is not a court and you are not a judge and I am not a victim. Why should I answer your questions?
Yes, of course. I am not a judge. This is not a court. But you have to answer the public who are watching the show. They
I am
are
not answerable
everything,
to
right?
public. I am only answerable to the court, okay?
Hello? Let's go on the speaker mode. Hello?
Oh, Gopi, give the phone call to the doctor.
The call is for you, doctor.
Hello?
Hey, you only signed it, right? Then why the hell you are not accepting it? He has got the evidence and you are not accepting it. So I have to run the case until you die in the court, right? Idiotic fellows.
Give some respect.
Hey, why the hell we have to respect you, idiot? Hey, stupid, you are in the court now. We, the public, is the judge now. Answer us now. Gopi, he will not say the truth. Just give me his address now. The guy who is sitting beside you, give his address also. I will take care of
No,
them.
brother. No violence. I understand your concern. Let us go on with the show now, please. Sir. How did you issue a driving license to a dead man? You told 12,000 to be given to a street side vendor. What is the connection between a driving license and the street side vendor?
It is in the design. It happened.
What is the design? Can you tell us that?
Of course. Everything is a design. Life is a design. We are in the design. We will caught by with a proof. It is also in the design. I trapped. Do you know how many of them were not trapped? Can I tell you?
No.
It is also in the design.
Do not create a case. Just answer to my question.
This is also in the design.
Yes, yeah. They have planned it perfectly and they are running the show now. Hey, Marthandam,
Sir?
just check whether someone is standing outside with
Okay,
camera.
Sir,
What?
there are 4 people with camera sitting in the hall.
Welcome, MP sir. Welcome to our show. How are you, sir? It all happened with your blessings. You have signed every document saying that you are recommending all of these people. You have signed 16 letters. How did you get to know a dead man? MP sir, can you hear me? Sir, if you cannot listen, then how did you sign me, sir?
The problem is he can't hear. It is also in his design.
Hey, did he ask you? Did he ask you or what? Idiot.
How did you hear this, sir?
Huh? Connection is not proper.
Sir? Sir, are you able to hear us? Sir, why are you crying, sir?
Please don't cry, sir.
Why are you crying? For what you're crying? Everybody does mistakes. He is not the only person. Mind that and get out from here. Come to interview. Come on, get up and put on your shirt. Why the hell are you crying now? You're questioning a speechless person. Get out from my place first. Get out, I said. Get out, I
Judge,
said.
sir, all of them said let the court decide the case. What are you going to tell us, sir? You have issued an arrest warrant for a dead man. Rape attempt case. Just to sign that warrant, you have called the rape victim to your bed.
Lies. Baseless allegations. You will have to reply.
We have evidence for all that. Just name the evidence you need. From the minute that girl came to your guest house and whatever you spoke to her and whatever happened, there is all recorded in our cameras. Shall I play it now for everyone to see? Children are watching the show. We have social responsibility. That is why we are not telecasting that portion.
What is this? What is this? Is
I
not
know
done.
clearly someone who knows us.
How is this possible? I can put 100 people into trouble in 1 second. You want to see? All of us will be in big trouble if this goes on.
Should we do?
No, we have to.
Silence. Sit down. If you keep on shouting like this, nothing will happen. First, we have to form an association. That association have to take all decision. Is it okay for you all?
That's okay for everyone.
Whatever it may be, we should be freed.
Hey, go away. Sir, don't include the people who got the bribery yesterday. Like us. They should have got it for a long time. I've prepared the list accordingly. Just see this.
Good. Shall I announce the leader of our association? Tell us. From the whom he is a politician. From the past 56 years, he was never caught by anyone. Brother APP Ayachami sir will be our new president.
Long live Ayaswamy.
Mariappan,
Long live Ayaswamy.
Rangaraju, Lakshmanan, VK Vijay Kumar, Basavaya, Anil Menon. Actually, I don't think so it will work. Okay, you go first. Our beloved Savitri.
Now only you do the right thing.
Tangachami, sit that side.
Don't worry dear, I will be with you. I'll take care of all your problems. Hey, cooling glass, come here.
Sir?
Good morning, sir.
Sit here. It's just my experience. Don't worry, dear. I'll take care of it.
I am Lakshman, judge.
Hello.
Yes. He has got suspension on the retirement date.
Did she ask you?
Yeah. We have to say that, right?
What problem is going on? Just look at there. It is in the design. That is happening.
We are happy, sir. You people are dead. Then why we have to worry? Local RTO is ready to give some money. I'll go and get it now.
Hello, wait. For 2 rupees, why you're going there? I give 5 rupees.
Stupid, that is 2 lakhs. Hey, just move.
Hey,
What
did you think? How many people are supporting you? Do you know? If we are held, they will also be convicted. They are pouring money on us.
Actually, the court has given time for us to defend ourselves and prove, right?
Yeah.
Even though what he did is forgery only.
Yes.
Actually, we have to appoint her as a president.
First, we will all individually file a case against him. 147 case. Only if he remains inside, we can think of ways to come out of this.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Arrest warrant has come.
I won't surrender myself. When the real verdict is out, I'll surrender myself. Gopi sir, you four can go.
Sure.
It's very safe to be inside the jail.
I won't die, sir. My hard work will not go in vain.
You are the first person to put a case against your own father.
I am not like that.
You should have told me before and I would have been careful, isn't
He
it?
might not have caught now. But after some time.
What are you talking? Don't talk nonsense. The food and the clothes and the shelter, everything is. He was the person who earned it.
Tell that he earned. Don't say that he suffered. If this is all out of dirty money, my body burns.
I'll stab you into pieces, mind that. How dare you could talk like
What's
that?
the fear for me? Has this house ever been a home? Did our father was a good dad? It was like a military only. Father is there, don't laugh. Father is there, don't run. Too many rules. He has committed mistakes in office. The guilty feeling has reflected in home. You can act like you are afraid, but I have no need for that.
Shut your mouth. I will never say that you're my daughter. Get out from here. Never step into this house again.
I know that you will come to that point. I'll go. I'll say I'm an orphan. Here, your husband's hard-earned money.
Sister, we'll also come.
There's only a couple of routes. One is Arvind Swami shouldn't be there. Another one is we should prove that that fake guy is really there. We should do the second thing only. That's safe for us. That's
How
right.
can we do that?
There is way.
Yes. There is a route. Definitely there should be a way. Yes? Hey doctor, go and sit there.
What, sir? Why can't you go and sit there?
What wrong you're talking with these people? Get up.
I will leave this premises.
Please get out. Tell me dear, what's the way?
One way.
Go and consult with a good doctor. No, you say the way.
Arvind has submitted full evidence in court. We have to retrieve those details. In that photo, identity will be there. We have to find a person resembling that and create a new evidence and produce him in court.
If we do so, how it will be solved? He has originals of all video, audio with him.
To prove anything in our country will take minimum 20 years.
Then nothing to worry. I'll definitely die before that.
Whoever is disproving Arvind is not here, let us prove he's there. Let us change the case.
Then we will say that we are not in that video, okay? We'll lie to everyone.
Sir, judge is a very honest man. It's very difficult.
There should be someone like you. Just pick him.
You will have to spend a lot of money. Is it okay?
We shall give lot of money. Just go ahead. Harit Chandran. Just see the photograph in the ID proof now.
Sir, it's him only with a little bit of modification.
We have to find a person resembling this photo.
How will we find a person looking like him?
What are you looking at? Ask them to search in every state. Plenty of government databases there. If we want, we can do.
We have been caught and you are all not. That's what the difference. Please help us.
Where he is now? Andhra. Rajamandri. Name? Narasimha Reddy. Operation TAC.
All those people going to Andhra, it is their name only.
Yes?
We have to meet Narasimha Reddy, sir.
And you?
Arivanandam.
Ganga Raj.
Basavaya.
Anil Menon.
You have come separated or come together?
We are all came together only.
They will fight for everything. Even they don't give for drinking water. But in this case, they will be together.
The 5 elements are common for all the lives on earth. To possess them separately, you will suffer in God's curse.
She is talking about you only.
Just say like that.
She also mentioned you. Don't behave like a gentleman.
Bye, sister.
Excuse me?
Huh?
What are you to Mr. Reddy, sir?
Distant relative.
Oh.
Hey, don't run. Come here.
Excuse me. How are you related to Reddy?
All the persons staying here are all related to Reddy. Mind your job.
Even you.
Guys! Tell me. I cannot decide for myself. There's somebody inside. I'll ask him and tell you. Hey, where are you going?
First, have to attend the tailoring class. After that, I have to go to the market and buy vegetables for everybody. Then, have to go buy medicines.
Okay, take care.
Ah.
Hey! Ah. Mwah. Okay, go.
Darling!
Huh? Hey, Jasmine! Why did you come so soon?
I don't like him. He's a thief.
Hey, I'm here, no? Huh? You have to live happily, okay? Come on, my dear. Don't cry. Come. I'll kill everybody.
See what a life he is leading. It's tremendous. Stop it.
I want to meet all the 147 person. Ask them to come here.
Actually, we are the representative of the...
Hey! You... Go.
Hey, what happened? You people are here without him now?
He is asking all of us to come there.
For what?
You are the president, you ask him.
Hey, can't you convince him there?
He is not allowing to talk.
He is not a single man. There is somebody inside. He's telling and he's conveying it to us.
Then you should have met him, right?
You come and meet him.
Yes, for everything the leader has to come and talk. Hey, what have you done after going
2
there?
times opened his mouth and closed.
Mouth? Sir, don't play. He's serious. Just plan to start there first of all. Hello? Huh. Okay. It's all because of your daughter. It has gone till Andhra.
I will also go.
How will you go? It's not like before. Everybody knows your face. We'll get caught.
I will go. I want to meet him. I won't allow him to come here.
Don't believe the minister. He used to cry in the critical situation. On that day in live telecast, he cried. Then, what you bought to eat? Some rice and fish curry? What a combination. It's a...
Hey doctor, sit there. Are you here to create problem? I'll kill you. Until we reach Rajamandri, it's my duty to watch you alone.
Are you a principal for me? Go to the back seat and have a sound sleep.
I won't sleep.
I will not sleep at all.
We can sleep peacefully.
Yes, you sleep. Okay, when you both sat together
Wait,
here...
first wake him up.
Hello, be quiet, man.
Why should I shut up? You only called the trouble.
What?
Who's that?
Not you, President. How can I tell you? I was talking about someone there.
Mr. Clean. Inside everything is waste. Why you're looking? You and me are same. 500 or 5,000. Everything is same, no? Airwadi Mohan. You are not stop crying. You do only minor mistakes.
I even not bothered when I caught, but I am unable to bear his torture.
It is in the design. He's speaking.
He's another torture.
His name is Narasimha Reddy. He's not just an ordinary person. He's supporting Andhra politics from the underground. He will do anything for money. These people doesn't have any other way. They will definitely convince him to bring him here. Again, I'm telling you, he's not just an ordinary person. You have to be careful. Just talk to him and don't allow him to come here. Police is keenly searching for you. Be careful. After crossing Andhra border, you will get the ambulance from that state.
Okay, sir.
why he is calling one by one and what he is doing?
He is scanning everybody, sir.
I can see animal instinct in you.
Such a close look will only show that.
Hey!
Hello, boss. Everyone is king in their place. Stop playing now. Tell us the deal.
I cannot decide for myself. There's somebody inside. I'll go and ask him. Brother!
Why can't you meet that guy who is inside? He only controlling him,
How
right?
can we see? He's not allowing us.
What shall I do now?
He is back.
Per head 10 lakhs. Total 147%. 14.7 crores. If you give, I'll come.
This is not fair.
Yes, definitely. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, I'm telling you guys. Just listen. Whoever got high amount, just give it to the person who has got low amount. We will definitely settle down now. Just listen my words. Sit down now. We have to be united now. Idiot. Hey, what shall we do now?
We'll give. Finish the issue.
Okay. We have decided to give that amount now.
Hey, what you...
We will give the money. What's next?
I'll tell you. Mr. Arivanandam, tomorrow from Sri Paramutur, one Mr. Shekhar will call you. In whatever name he mentions, you take 2 crores DD on that name. And then, don't call back the number he tries to call you. You should not try to find who he is and do some research, okay? I won't. Anil, brother.
Tell me.
From Thiruvananthapuram, one Mr. Kunjappan will call you. You have to take demand draft for 2 crores in whatever name he says. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Gangaraju sir, from our Karnool, you will get a call. In that name, DD. Take and send it. That's it. Mr. Basvaya,
Sir.
from Mysore, you will get a call. And then 2 crores. Take demand draft and send it to me. Close your mouth. And then, whoever I mention has to do the job. The rest is 6.7. And you have to take demand draft in the name I mention. And the rest I need in cash, the 2000 rupees bundle. It should come in black color bag and not black money should come.
What is this, President?
He's irritating us.
Is it Narasimha Reddy's house?
Yes.
Is he there?
Yes, he's inside.
Nisha,
Huh? He looks
Go
exactly
inside.
like Reddy.
I'm asking you to go inside. What do you want?
I want to meet Narasimha Reddy.
No such person here. Please go.
Now only they said he's there. Call him. I need to talk.
Oof! I said no. Please leave.
He should not come to Chennai. If he comes, issue will get
Do you
bigger.
want me to call the police?
Please try to understand. Please call him out. Please understand.
Go away.
I won't leave him. Hey! Hey!
Where are you going?
I need to meet him.
Are you insane? We are talking a big deal. It will go waste.
Give me the phone.
Hey, that Aravind is here in Andhra. You people are searching there. Just come to Andhra.
Come inside, brother. I was very eager that there won't be any change. I think everything is gonna be waste. How criminally they are working for. How many of them were supporting them, you know? If they get that ready here, Finish. They will change everything. Bloody fellows. Tomorrow is the settlement.
Where's the DD?
Here it is.
Good. We'll meet in Chennai.
Just tell us when you will come there.
Huh?
When?
No private school is getting the government fee. Even they are not giving the bill for that amount. They are asking for donation too. Even my daughter studying in the same school. I have amount for paying the fees, but not for donation purpose. If I change my daughter from that school, she will be worried. For that purpose, I got money illegally. Now my daughter is not talking to me. Even my family is not talking to me. Why should I leave? Don't think that we are doing the mistake for only one time. Then your decision will be mine.
Come on! Come on! Hey! Hey! Come on! Hey, what is your problem? Cool, cool, cool. Okay, come on, come on! Go, go, go! Hey! Hey! Leave me! Leave me! You should not come, sir! You should not come, sir! Hey! You should not go! You should not go! You should not go!
What's happening here? What's happening? We have found a guy and Aravind is coming in search of him. How come? How come? Who is giving the news? Who? The police has taken him away. Don't worry. Just leave. What, sir, are you playing now? It's our life. Is it a comedy crowd? We have to beat. It should be a pain for him. He shouldn't come to us again. He has got a mom, right? Yes. Let us take her. Babu!
We have looked out all over Tamil Nadu. His mother is nowhere to be found.
That girl hugged in the CBI office, right? Let's take her!
No!
Why? Why no? Why we shouldn't? Tell me. Why? She is my daughter. Let us beat him. Hit him.
Hello? Oh my god! Oh my god!
What happened, Mom?
Hey, get up! Get up, you scoundrel! Get up!
Mom,
Get
why
out
are
of
you
my
torturing me
house!
like this?
No, get out of my house! Get out of my house! Get away from here! Who's this? Who do you want? Nobody's here!
Where's the daughter?
Nobody's here! Just believe me! No!
She may have been escaped.
No, please!
Let us catch her.
I'm telling
Don't
you!
let her get away!
Hello!
Come on!
Who the hell are you?
Why are you taking time? Kill her fast!
I'll kill you on the roads for chasing a girl to this extent, you scoundrel! I'm not a person who sleep after retirement. I will keep an eye on every scoundrel like you here. I will now take care of you.
I'm going back to Chennai again.
When are you coming back?
We took the payment. We have to do our job, right? You take care. Hey! Whose house is this?
Our MP's second wife, so.
Is the third, fourth, and fifth?
No. After wife, only her. She's like his eyes.
Let's watch that eyes also. Greetings.
Please come inside. It's our home only. Just look at the marbles. I brought it from Italy. You couldn't get it here. Your room is in the upstairs.
All facilities are there, right?
Super room. It's a new
Okay,
room.
go.
Come on.
Is this that eye? How are you? What's your name?
Ganga.
Huh?
Pouring Ganga.
That means you're from Kakinada?
Ah, of course. How did you recognize? You're also from my native, isn't it?
They are distant relatives. But now we are really close enough.
Oh my god, you really talk very well.
Hey, distant relative.
Is it so? Okay, go upstairs.
Funny fellow.
Hey, go inside.
Don't show your anger. I feel like laughing.
Laughing.
Listen, boss.
What?
Just accept whatever he says. Don't say no to him at all.
Why?
Listen to me. We are not in the age to compete with you. He's not that category of a man. He's a prestigious man. We have paid you and you have come to work here. Just do the job what you want to do.
Sir, I won't go in search of anything.
If it comes towards you, what is this? He's putting his signature.
You should take care of your own personal belongings.
Why are you chasing me like this?
There is a reason for that. Go to your mother's home now. I'll come and
What
pick you
is
later.
your problem? Tell me.
Everything is problem here only.
That is what I'm asking.
You are the big problem. Get out.
Me?
Go.
A problem?
Go now.
What is
Go.
this? What are you talking?
Just leave from here. Shut your mouth.
Listen.
Just shut. Go. Go.
How they are trying to save their second wives. Shit.
And how are you? I'm really scared.
Nothing will happen to me. You stay in Walter Sir's house.
How
is
is
safe for
it
you.
possible?
That's really possible here. You can do anything here with money.
Thanks a lot, sir.
It's my duty.
They are trying to change Reddy to Harichandran now. They are torturing those 3 persons who helped us here. If we win, then only we can save them. Else, they will kill everyone, including us.
Can we prove that?
Law needs evidence only. They are preparing very strongly that. So this contains all details about Harichandran.
You should forget your original identity.
If anyone asks you, you should tell the new name and new identity.
To teach the language for you, we have organized a teacher.
A senior lawyer will teach you what to talk, how to talk in the court.
Personality development, body language will be taught by a person. You have to follow whatever he says.
Then there is an important...
I'll be ready. I don't need anybody. Till I call you, nobody should enter this place. Now everybody can leave.
Yes, yes. He will take care. Everyone leave from here.
Hey, that includes you also. Go.
He is a clever guy, it
Savitri,
seems.
shall we go for a dinner today?
I'm not interested.
Chaudhary,
Thank you.
you just stay here.
Good design.
They don't have brains. Are you not an intellectual? Person in your own office helped Arvind. First search them and catch 4 of them.
You just come to the court. We'll speak all over there.
Daddy,
Yes?
let me also come to the court.
No. Let it be Arvindan or whoever has helped him. Everybody's position is very critical now. We should try to save him now. Even you are in trouble. Instead of you coming there, I think you'll be better here. Just take care.
What is your name?
Harishchandran,
What have you studied?
BTech Sarojini Engineering College.
What's your work?
I'm still searching for a job.
What's your dad's name?
Uday Chandran,
Mother's name?
Mani Meghale,
Date of birth?
26/8/1985.
Place of birth?
Chandragiri.
School you studied?
Till 5th standard, I studied in Sri Murugan Matriculation School. Up to +2, I studied in Government High Secondary School, Vandarankudi.
Are you married?
No.
What's your residential address?
Number 37, Govindan Street, Metupatti Post, Chandragiri Taluk.
What's your caste? Place where you got the caste certificate?
Vandarankudi.
Place of driving license issuance?
Vanjipuram.
Ration card issuance place?
Vandarankudi.
Place you got the passport?
Malaikote.
Date?
5/11/2006.
Have you attempted for rape?
Yes,
That girl is here only. Can you identify her?
that girl. That girl, sir.
You have got the arrest warrant, don't you know that?
I'm ready to accept it, sir. Hey!
Arvind, we lost.
Honorable Judge, sir. 1 second. I've said whatever they taught me to say. Can I talk some truth now? There's somebody inside. I'll ask him and come. Tell me.
There is no guy inside the house. He said about himself.
Hey, not only inside me, with everybody there is somebody inside, and he always speaks the truth. He's saying till now whatever I did is a mistake, and he's scolding for me. When he scolds, I listen, because if I kill him, I'll become an animal. Half of them here are like that only. Huh? What, brother? Only your state is infested with corruption? Isn't in my state? Hey, the entire country is stinking now. Wherever we turn, there is betrayal. But you stood up at the right time. If I don't support you now, it's a big curse. Sir, whatever I said was false, sir. My original name is Narasimha Reddy and my age is 42. My father's name is Samarasimha Reddy, mother is Annapurani. My birthplace is Rajamundri, my birth date is 26/8/1971. I studied BA Psychology and my job is taking care of helpless people and feed them daily. That is the truth. They destroyed my real identity and changed me as Harishchandran. I got bribed. Per head 10 lakhs, sir. Threatening a bad person and getting money is not a mistake, sir. But I didn't take even single penny out of it. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra. I started orphanage in all those states and I'm feeling proud about it, sir. And you to have that blessing, brother. Because of you, everything happened. Blaming others is just a cheating job, sir. Our own laziness, genius thoughts and selfishness. This is the grassroots for corruption, sir. There are 7 crore people in this state. Out of that, 1 crore people are working for you. They are also human, sir. If a paper needs 15 days to get ready, you have to give that space, sir. You're not giving it. You're approaching in the last minute, going in the wrong ways. To enter in a government office, you need a broker. To book a train ticket, you are searching for an agent. To enter a police station, you are searching for ward and division, and that searching is corruption. First, we have to change. Lot of crimes happened in the last 6 months. Not even a single case has got a judgment. At least for this case, give the verdict clearly and boldly, sir. Entire nation's future is in your verdict, sir. Court is the last weapon for democracy, I believe.
In this case, all the 147 accused, without any kind of inquiry, this court acquits all of them. From now on, the accused or their families will never get any kind of benefits from the government or the government schemes. They lose their voting rights too. Their Indian citizenship stands cancelled from today. India is a young state. In India, 50% of population is below the age of 30. They are our country's future. Their beliefs should not be destroyed. If a good man fights for justice, all other good men will join them one by one. This case is dismissed. You both are free to go.
Peter, connect the line. Connect the line immediately.
Hey! How many days we are going to be like this? This is our problem. They are just hundreds. We are thousands. Beat them! Hey! This is what I was expecting. We have won this fight. We won! going to be placed in the same place.
Hey, don't let that man get away. He stabbed him. Renee! Get him! Ambulance! Ambulance! Call the ambulance! Call the ambulance now!
Nothing will happen to you.
Where are you taking me?
Let's go to the hospital. To do what? I gone there. What are you saying? There should be a meaning for our living. I believe I have it now. You live how you wanted to live. Don't change yourself for anybody, okay?